Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on some of the latest and greatest new tech for your home. These products will help keep you safe, keep you cool, and keep you well rested among many other great benefits. Some of these products are manufactured by well-established companies that we've all heard of before, and others are from new startups that are set to break into the world of tech. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. It'd really help me out. Now, let's take a look at some of these fascinating products. First up is the Sunflower Labs Bee, a residential security drone and the world's first to be offered commercially to the public. This amazing new application of drone technology can detect movement and vibration on your property and can investigate any suspicious activity autonomously whether you're home or away and capture video of whatever may be causing the movement. The drone has 15 minutes of flight time with an additional 5 minutes of backup time in case it needs it and to avoid it losing battery mid-flight. It has a transmission distance of 300 meters and can cover a 4-acre area, more than enough to make sure that the perimeter of your home is strictly surveilled. The reservation fee for the Bee is $999, and they aren't going to begin shipping until the middle of 2020. But it's some technology that might be worth getting your hands on. The Bee is a part of a larger system of security lights called Sunflowers and a charging station for the Bee called the Hive. The cost of the entire system is $9,950, which is definitely a pretty penny, but you'll be investing in some of the most modern developments in residential security. If you change your mind, the $999 reservation fee is fully refundable. Next up is the Carro Smart Ceiling Fan. You might be wondering how smart a ceiling fan can possibly get, and Carro will prove to you that ceiling fans can get pretty smart. The Carro fan and light combo can be controlled via your smartphone, remote control, and even be paired with your voice-activated products such as Google Home or Alexa. Furthermore, the LED lights in the fan are fully customizable, allowing you to switch between white and warm light tones and allowing you to dim them as well. The fan itself is said to be whisper quiet and is energy efficient, saving you money on your electric bill. Also, the fan can be set to 10 different speeds. You might be skeptical of the LED lights and how easy they are to replace, and you should worry no more because the lights are good for 50,000 hours of runtime or over 5 years worth of smart home lighting. This great company is still in its infancy and is available through Kickstarter. With a pledge of $329, you can get the fan package, which is said to be a discount of 43% off the MSRP once fully released. Introducing Fingerbot. This product will take your partially voice-activated home and make it a fully voice-activated home. The Fingerbot can be used to replace your fingers in any scenario. It comes equipped with a finger that can be attached over any device buttons, which can in turn be voice-activated or controlled from your smartphone. So if you attach your Fingerbot to the coffee maker, for example, you can voice command your coffee pot to begin brewing, and the Fingerbot will click the button on the coffee pot for you. Other applications include lights, opening your front door, turning on your AC, and more. There are different attachments to the Fingerbot that make its finger adaptable to many different types of switches and buttons, so that whenever you turn it on, so that whatever you can turn on, so can the Fingerbot. This great little friend comes at the small price of just $25 per Fingerbot, so fully automating your home is more attainable than ever. Meet Motion Pillow. Snoring is an issue that doesn't just affect the person who snores, it affects anyone who might also be trying to sleep in the same bed or even a neighboring room, depending on the snore volume. The Motion Pillow offers a modern solution to snoring that doesn't require any annoying nasal strips or breathing attachments. Instead, the Motion Pillow detects your sleeping and snoring patterns and inflates or deflates to improve your sleeping posture and keep your snoring to a minimum. It also offers feedback via an app so that you can take a look the next morning and see how you're snoring and sleep patterns. The pillow itself is comfortable and contains no hardware or wires that you might be able to feel through the fabric. It's been recognized by many major media outlets and was offered an award as a health and wellness honoree at CES 2020. So this great pillow will save your family from losing precious sleep, and it's been recognized by some of the greatest minds in technology today. Kohler Sensate Faucet. Next is a product from a company that has been involved in the home fixture business for a long time. We're talking about Kohler. And now Kohler has a new touchless faucet called Sensate that also comes with Kohler Connect capabilities. Kohler Connect allows your faucet to become voice activated, which extends beyond just turning the water on and off. It even allows you to specify certain amounts of water be dispensed. For those trying to save on their water bill or remain environmentally friendly, the Connect app also tracks your water usage so that you can keep it to a minimum. The pull-down sprayer also has 2 settings for washing dishes, produce, and more by allowing you to use the traditional stream spray or the new sweep spray that allows you to utilize a wider spraying pattern. And if you're afraid of the dreaded stains and tough-to-clean parts that come with most traditional faucets, Kohler has thought of that as well by making the Sensate with master clean surfaces that are easy to clean. Gone are the days of needing to wash off your faucet knobs because you got them messy while cooking or having to get out the measuring cups to measure your water. The Sensate is an all-in-one package that fixes the problem with traditional sinks. The Lockly Secure Pro Home Smart Lock System is a revolutionary redesign of the traditional deadbolt system of your front door. With the popularity of travel and services such as Airbnb increasing each day, a need to vary access through your front door also increases, and the Lockly solves all the issues that might come from allowing other people to enter your house. The Lockly connects to your phone, and you can set unique entry codes for different guests who might need to enter your home. This means that you won't have to visit your house at all to change the code or determine who's allowed in and who isn't. The Lockly also increases your home security by varying where the numbers are on the keypad each time someone attempts to enter the code, which keeps fingerprints and wear from occurring on your keypad. The Lockly also increases your home security by varying where the numbers are on the keypad each time someone attempts to enter the code, which keeps fingerprints and wear from occurring on your keypad, giving away the combination to intruders who aren't supposed to have it. And speaking of fingerprints, the system comes with a fingerprint reader that doesn't allow lifted fingerprints to be used, since it isn't an optical system. This can save you, the owner, time by not having to enter the code every time you want through the front door. And you can monitor the system in real time. The door sensors are wireless, removing the mess. There is an offline compatibility for when you can't access the internet, and you can sync it to your voice-activated home products. The list of features goes on, and you can score this great package for only $299. Rocean 1. Depending on how you like your water, you might have filtering pitchers, water bottles, carbonating machines, and more. The Rocean 1 is an all-in-one solution that removes the need for all of those products and integrates those capabilities directly from your tap water. The Rocean 1 connects to your faucet and has the ability to filter your water using carbon block filtration, carbonate your water using compressed CO2, or flavor your water with over 5 liters of flavored water for each flavor pod. Your order comes with 3 pods. Installation only takes 5 minutes, and the entire system only costs $199, perhaps cheaper than all the filtration, carbonation, and flavoring systems you already have. So be prepared to ditch those products and step into the convenience of the Rocean 1. Closing out this list, we're looking at Sleep Genius Smart Base. If you've had a bad day or wake up in a bad mood, chances are you just didn't get a good night's sleep. Remove that problem and those bad moods with the Sleep Genius Smart Base, which works in combination with their Gel Matrix mattress to not just tell you what your sleep patterns are, but work on improving your sleep quality throughout the night. The base comes with built-in Bluetooth capabilities that can play music or noise to lull your brain into a deeper sleep and keep you calm at night. If you have the IntelliBed frame, you can also set your sleeping position however you want to give you the most support and comfort. Also, if you've done any sleep research, you know about the power that lies within power naps. And the base also has built-in features that allow you to harness this power in a power nap setting, which lets you get some valuable shut-eye in a short amount of time. Sleep is something that we all need and probably don't get enough of. The Sleep Genius Smart Base is here to help with that. The house of the future is here, and it's all thanks to great new products like these. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to learn more about any of these products, links will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on how you can transform your life through great new products and innovations. Take care.